Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we'll show you how to replace the compressor start device in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a long flat blade screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new compressor start device. The compressor start device is mounted on the side of the compressor. The overload portion of the device works as an overcurrent protector. If your refrigerator stops cooling and you can hear a click coming from the back of the refrigerator every few minutes, it's most likely time for a new start device. To remove the access cover, we need to take out a few 1/4-inch screws, and I'm going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. And just pull it out. Use the opportunity to clean the condenser coil if it's necessary. In our case, it's pretty much clean. I'm going to use the needle nose pliers and place it in there. Grab that retainer spring. Pull it towards the compressor to release the hook at the end and remove it. Alright, we're going to remove the old compressor start device. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to push it slightly off, and I'm going to stick it inside and slowly, don't force it too much, pry it off. And now we can pull it out here and remove this wire plug. Lift up the locking tab and pull the plug out. We got it. So then we're going to separate the run capacitor. We're going to use it again, so don't throw it away. This is the old compressor start device next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, we got here a new start device. We're going to plug in the run capacitor. And then we're going to connect this plug. And install the start device. There's a if you see the 3 holes there in the back, and there's 3 prongs that the compressor motor terminals. I'm going to put it on. And push it on as far as you can do that. And then we're going to install this spring. The bottom goes over that opening on the compressor mounting plate. And we're going to hook up the top. Time to install the access cover. I'm going to put the power cord into the cutout outside and put the bottom of the cover into the base here, and we're going to secure that with a 3 1/4-inch screws. All done. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.